This is the story of the Liebherr 996. The Liebherr 996 was a mining excavator produced in Como, France. This machine was released in 1996 and had an operating weight of 633 tons. It had a bucket capacity of 34 cubic meters. Designed to operate in the world's biggest mining operations, the 996 found most of its glory in Australia as well as Indonesia. Available in many different configurations, the Liebherr 996 had a price tag of just around $8 million. This was the only machine with a cab located to the right in Liebherr's mining catalog. The 996 is no longer being produced. It's been replaced by the brand new 9600.